Welcome dear viewers, I am back with another chicken recipe. Winner winner chicken dinner. This time it's Andhra Style Chicken Curry. Try out this recipe and hope you like it. Andhra Pradesh is located in central eastern part of India. The people here speak Telugu and Andhra Pradesh is the leading producer of red chili in India. This means that almost all of the dishes here are spicy. In our recipe, we will not make the curry as spicy. Rice is the main dish and is eaten with some curry and sometimes with side dishes. Here we will prepare Kodi Kora, meaning chicken dish. Kora is a generic word for protein-based curry. Join me in exploring this land and culture through its food.
Uncle approved.
Ingredients used: garlic 8 cloves, ginger same quantity as garlic. Green chili 2, coriander leaves small handful, mint leaves small handful, curry leaves small handful. Chicken 750 grams. Lemon juice 1 teaspoon, salt 2 teaspoons, oil 2 tablespoons, 1 small cinnamon stick. Cloves 3, cardamom 1, cumin 1 teaspoon, onion 2, chili powder half a teaspoon, tomato 1, coriander powder half teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon, turmeric powder quarter teaspoon. First, we take 2 green chilies, a piece of ginger and 8 cloves of garlic. The ginger and garlic need to be in equal quantities. Next, we put a few curry leaves, a handful of coriander leaves and finally the same quantity of mint leaves. Then we add in the ginger, green chili and the garlic. Blend into a smooth paste. Separately add the washed, drained chicken to a bowl. Add the chili, ginger and garlic paste to the chicken. Add the lime juice. Next, add salt to the chicken. Mix well and marinate in the fridge for a half hour. Separately, keep the onion and tomato chopped. In a wok, add a bit of oil and turn on the flame to medium heat. Add the cinnamon stick, cloves, cardamom and a bay leaf to the wok and sauté. Now add the cumin seeds and sauté further. Then add the chopped onion and sauté until the onion is cooked. I added a little bit more of oil for cooking the onion. Next, I add chili powder, coriander and garam masala and keep sauté. Once the onion is fully cooked, I add the tomato and sauté it as well. Now that the onions and tomato are fully cooked, I add in the chicken marinade that we prepared earlier. I give the chicken a quick toss before cooking it so that it gets coated with the sautéed onion and tomato. Finally, I add a bit of chopped coriander to garnish the dish. Voila! Our Andhra Style Chicken Curry is ready. Hope you enjoyed the dish. Comment on how well it went after you made the dish.
Share, like and subscribe to see more of my videos, and remember, I am with you. Regards.